Old West Tampa. If you are looking for an opportunity of growth in an urban historic community, Old West Tampa will serve you well. Hi, it's Sophia Sanchez here, also known as Cigar City. Old West Tampa's Main Street is a historic gem dating back to 1895 thanks to Hugh McFarlane, who is commemorated in this colorful mural at McFarlane Park. Back in the day, this community defined the word hustle. This part of town was fairly isolated until the streetcar extension paved the way for brick-and-mortar businesses along Main Street. Breweries, bodegas, and bakeries are all around Old West Tampa, including the inviting new Humane Society facility. On the east, you'll find Julian B. Lane Park with access to biking trails and dog parks. And to the west, Midtown and retail shopping. No matter how much new development the future will bring, you just can't take the old out of West Tampa. The rich cultural tapestry found here is what makes our city so unique. From higher sight lines, the recognizable West Tampa Water Tower welcomes us into the neighborhood before or after an event at Raymond James Stadium. Multiple cigar factories were thoughtfully built throughout the neighborhood and are now being transformed into co-work, loft, and office spaces. Old West Tampa is the younger sister city to Ybor, and one I expect us to hear more about in the coming years. If you think Tampa is as incredible as I do, call us today and let's get started.